All right, I got the Simder plasma cutter. Let's see how well this thing cuts on 220 volts.
All right, so here's the plasma cutter torch. It's a non-contact pilot arc, which means you don't have to touch that metal on there to get started cutting, so you can cut right through paint and everything. Gas and current. So this should be a 50 amp model. We got a nice heavy duty power cord, fan in the back, on off right here. Then we have gas right here. This is where our air compressor air is gonna hook up. Then we got 0 amps up to 52 amps. 220 volts crank to the max. 3/4 inch, 52 amps. I'm impressed, guys. It cut that 3/4 inch. I'd say that's probably the max. 42.8 amps. 16 gauge. 35 amps. 1/8 inch. 32.3 amps. 1/4 inch plate. Not bad, it's a pretty clean cut. 3/8 inch. All right, here's a cut on 3/8 inch. 1/2 inch. Let's see how clean it'll cut. 16 gauge. Pretty clean cut, nice and straight. 1/4 inch. Pretty clean cut, guys. Nice and straight.
It's got the best power on 220 volts. It's a dual voltage machine, so it does 220 or 110. This was the 220 test, and it cut great.
Later.